Hello guys, it's Brother here. Welcome to today's Teardown video. In this video, I'll be trying to survive a thunderstorm and steal a lot of paintings. That's it for the introduction. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Gordon really took this one step too far. He probably heard it on the news, but he hit my tower, the lead tower. My poor grandfather is probably turning in his grave right now. It'll cost me a fortune to rebuild that. I need to get back at Gordon, but he's so loaded with money that whatever I do, he can just pay someone to fix it. The only way to get to him is to strike where his fat wallet can't protect him. His precious art collection. Some of those paintings would also make a nice contribution to the restoration fund for my new tower. So I probably need to steal them. Oh my god, that's a lot. Let's see how I got to steal. What? That is 4 paintings. Okay, so it's everything is theoretically optional, but I have to take 4 of them. I don't know what I will really do, because I don't know if I really have to bring them up there or just get them another way. Okay. Which one is it? It's even higher up. Okay, so I just take this. Okay, now I know what I have to do. I understand it now. So that's 1. Now I have to make my way from here to there probably, because I'm higher up right now. And I could theoretically like this to here through this hole, then get in. Nice. And that's 2. Okay. So the escape point is here. So this will be probably the last one, and I jump out of the window and drive in a car to here. Here, I take the car, jump in there. Okay, that's an idea. Okay, let me just tell you what I wanted to do. So let me just quick save now and show you what I wanted to do. So I wanted to go through this window like I did in the second video, and I just go through. Okay, so I just don't go through here, I go through here. And now I take the elevator up. That's already 3 because 1 is in there. So the only thing I need to do now is steal this one, take a car from here to here, take a car from here to here, and everything's done. I could 1, 2. How do I take this one though? It's not in my path. I will take 5. Who leaves a painting in a tent? Nobody does that. Except for Gordon, I guess. Listen. I go through here. It's a sauna. I take this. Okay, let me just show you in action. Boom. Quick load. Take this. Jump. I'm doing this first try. Okay, perfect drive, Fuck. Boom. Oh my god, I already got stuck on the way in because I'm a fat chug. Okay. I go in. Steal this. Get in. Okay, now I need to drive through here. Take this. Okay, let me look in. No, okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Then I take, oh my god, I didn't take the elevator. Yo, it's not as easy as I thought it will be. Damn. Okay, so I go through there. Just go in. Will I be able to? Okay, I just need a car here. That's better. Okay, let me just TP to the spot. Nice. Okay. Quick save. Okay, it's good, it's good. It's really good actually. Okay. Lock in. That's great actually. Perfect execution. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, that was really nice. Let's see if I get anything new by completing this mission. Please? Nope. Good evening, I'm a claim adjuster at Kirfi Insurance Group, investigating an art incident that happened to Gordon recently. Mr. Wu claims to know who's responsible for the stolen paintings. A Mr. Lawrence Lee Jr. But he is very keen to not involve the police. Gordon's account has caused us some financial strain recently, and it is in our interest to bring back the paintings as discreetly and swiftly as possible. According to our intelligence, the paintings are hidden at the marina. I know Gordon has been working with you in the past. Maybe you can help out? I could, but let me just upgrade my tools. Okay, that's good, and more ammo to the shotgun. That's good. Okay, now let me accept. Let me just get in. Damn, so the thunders do something actually. That's not very good. I hope it doesn't destroy anything I own. What do you mean fire alert? What do you mean? What the hell? I hate this game. I hate this game. Why? Oh my god. That just went from easy to insanely hard. Oh my god, I hate this game. So it's... Okay, so it strikes points that are already established that they will be strikes, so it's not random, because it hit the same tree again, and I don't believe that's coincidence. So that means that something's gonna strike the house. Exactly. Okay, so it strikes already established points. So I have to be ready. Quick save this. Okay. So where's the painting? It's hidden. So it strikes 1, 2. Ayok. Okay, it's gone. Now where's the painting? The painting's up here, but it really gives me a better way in, actually. Why isn't it attached? Boom, boom. What? Oh, there aren't any alarms. Oh, I don't have to do this like this. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. No, 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 no. Holy shit, that was scary. I hate this. It hit 2 times so I couldn't get in. Oh my god. I hate this so much. This game makes my heart sink to my ass. Can you catch on to the yo? Where's the painting, little bro? Oh, there's a bed. Now get in, get in, get in. Door. Extinguisher. Oh shit. Fuck this. I can't take this. I can't take this. I didn't take a vote here. Fuck you. Fuck. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I hate this mission so much. So much. So fucking much. God, I can't get out. Oh wait, quick save. I don't care about the fire. Fuck you. The fire alert is going to make him come after me. Because I set up the fire. Because I am Zeus, the god of thunder. Or Thor. Everything. Same thing. So I'm the one who's in trouble for this. Because there's a fucking thunderstorm and nobody knows how to do thunder protection in this city. I really don't like this mission. It's really made me angry. I hope I get new things though. New items. I didn't. Plot twist. Oh my god. Yeah, put them all out. I put them all out. What now? I don't care. Oh, I know what mission this is. It's the last mission I did when I was playing alone. It's really gonna be a hard mission. But now, I think it's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.